This is Carol. Stay tuned because this is going to be a fun video. I'm going to show you 5-star magical products that make you go, wow, I gotta show my friends this. Stay tuned. I started this tag because I think that we all should hear about the greatest 5-star magical products that make you go, wow, and that you come across every day and think, this is so cool. This really works. This is amazing. Well, that's what this video is about. So, anyone wants to join me, please join in. Just make sure you tag me and let me know. Okay, blender cleanser. This is by the Beauty Blender. This will clean your sponge like brand new. What other soaps cannot get out, what other makeup removers can't get out, this will do it. I'm telling you, this is an amazing, amazing product, and it's always my go-to when I really need to get the makeup out of my beauty sponges. Do you have rough feet? Are your feet like sticking onto your husband's socks or sticking onto your blanket? This is the product you need. Extra Strength Deep Therapy Foot Cream with 12% glycolic AHA. This is an amazing product. From the second you put it on your feet, you will have smooth feet. Now, if you're really rough and you put this on, take your fingernails and just scratch it in. Rub it in with your nails on your heels. Just rub it in. Put on a pair of socks and voila. No more sticking to anything. No more rough heels. This is amazing. Plus, I use it for hand cream too. Are you having trouble with cuticles? Well, this POSCHE Cuticle Care will solve your cuticle problems. You put this on, your cuticles will instantly smooth. That's what we're looking for here. We're looking for something that really works and is instant. There you go. POSCHE Cuticle Care. Next we have the Doctor's Brush Picks. You know you need to floss. But if you're lazy, this is the best pick ever. Do you see the top and the bottom? Like it looks like a feather. This is just as good as flossing your teeth. You can do this in the car, in your bed. I keep one in my car, I keep one next to my bed, I floss at night. This is all I use. This is fabulous. This will help take the plaque off your teeth, take the food out of your teeth, take anything else that's lodged in there. And not all dental picks are good. I've tried several. This is my favorite. The Doctor's Brush Picks. When you take a shower, do you squeegee, or are you too lazy, or you can't be bothered, right? I mean, I can't be bothered to squeegee after I've done a whole shower. Plus, I found out that my tiles are painted, and my tub has been painted. Before I moved in, they spray painted everything white. So it fooled me. I thought they were really white tiles, but they haven't peeled, so I'm not sure. If you want tiles without mildew, and you do not want to squeegee after a shower, the Method Daily Shower, it's naturally derived shower cleaner with eucalyptus mint. It's non-toxic, plant-based, power green technology, cleans without having to rinse. This is amazing. I got this in Bed Bath & Beyond. I buy like 4 at a time just to keep them backed up. This keeps my tiles sparkling white with no mildew, and I don't have to make the effort. It really works. When you wash your hair, are you constantly searching for the perfect towel to put on your head while your hair is soaking wet? Do you hate that feeling of soaking wet hair just hanging on your shoulders? Well, TURBIE TWIST makes the best hair towel. It's new and improved microfiber. It's great for kids and adults. It's super absorbent. It's tapered design, elastic loop, one size fits all, lightweight, and stays in place. Do you hate when your towel falls off your head when your hair's wet? This one has the label right here, which is easy to hang up. So always look for the TURBIE TWIST label and the elastic. It's magic. You wrap it around. You could do it 2 ways. You could put the turban on, put this, and then twist it up. Or you could put this in the back, and then you twist it back. So either way, whatever more comfortable for you. You don't have to bend your head over and get vertigo. You don't have to use a towel that's too small or a towel that's too big and falls off your head every time you move your head. This is perfect. I would stick to TURBIE TWIST brand and forget the dupes, because I bought a few dupes and I think this is the best. Michelle Cinnamon Beauty, she showed some great sweatshirts from Walmart. Well, I bought 2 of every color. And because this is the type of tops I love to wear. I like when the waist is straight down with a little cut on the side so it doesn't hug you. Over here, it has, the back is a little longer, and also it has a slit. But when I washed it, I got pilling. I don't know if you could see the pilling, but I'm just going to try to show you. Do you see the pilling? Yeah. So I've been shaving it. I didn't know what to do. Well, I took a chance and I bought this product. It is USB charged. Just charge it right on your computer or in a USB port and go to town. It's ergonomically friendly. It removes everything like brand new. Oh yeah, don't do it fast. Do it slow. Give it a chance to work. Nice and smooth. This is a lifesaver. I'm telling you, then I will use this cute as a button pill remover. Probably good to lay it flat. Oh, it's amazing. You can take this off. Do you see? There's the lint, and there's lint in there. And I'm sure your kids or your husbands or your grandkids have pilling. I would just go visit them with this. Buy it and bring it over. And tell them to bring out your clothes. While you're sitting there visiting them, just start de-pilling. It's very satisfying. Do you have a glass top stove? WEIMAN's glass top gets it like brand new. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And you could find these in Marshall's or TJ Maxx, very cheap. I hope you know about this, but just in case you don't, and you've been on the fence for many, many years, it's an old product, but it's magical. It's the magic erasers. They will clean everything. Everything that you cannot clean with anything else, they will clean with no soap. I do my tub. I do any project that's hard to clean. This will do it. And these aren't even the real Mr. Clean magic erasers. These are dupes. You can buy dupes. I will put a link down below to Amazon, and you can get 40, 50 and share it with your family. They work just as good as the Mr. Clean. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know. And let me know if you try any of these things or if you've tried them before. But I just think they are fabulous. They wow me every day. Every day when I use them, these 5-star products that I have given them 5 stars wow me every day. So if you'd like to do this tag, please do it and let me know. Have a great week, a great day. Remember, pray for the world with me. I'm praying